Okay, my holiday mystery box just came in. I'm using a tripod and my flip video camera this time, so quality should be a lot better. Let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. It's a pretty big box. It was pretty heavy. Let's see. Ow. Okay. It should be hoping for something good. It was $75, $76 with the coupon code. I think it was WOW. So I came out pretty good. It's normally $85. So here's what I got. Got the Airsoft GI. These are the .2s. See if you can see that. Yeah, .2s. G4 18 CQBR on the side. They're really starting to put these out a lot. They're really starting to push their G4 line. Airsoft GI with the Echo 1 and Aries, brought to you by zshot.com. Packing slip. So another Airsoft GI t-shirt. So and a AGM MP001. So it had a smaller ratio of getting this than the L96, but just throw this on here. Hopefully, whoops, I missed the camera. Hopefully this one has a better upgradability, I guess you would call it. But yeah, $85. I guess you say it's pretty good. Came out pretty good. Just t-shirt, gun, and a bag of BBs. So it's pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got. There's the box if you want to know. There's my other shirt on my drum pads. But yeah, so this is what you pretty much get. Good luck if you do get something better than the snipers. And other than that, this should be about it. Comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll be doing a review on this later on. And that's about it. Oh, if you got the Supreme mystery box, that was $135. Let me know if you got something pretty good. And that's about it. Peace.